Hey everybody, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on my newest listing in 1997 Carver 455. Starting up here at the helm, got a big view out. All the enclosures are in great shape. All the seats are in great shape. Coming down here, this area back here, wet bar has been completely updated. All right, going down into the cabin. Extremely clean cabin here. Here's your galley, refrigerator. This one does have an oven, microwave as well. Unique setup over here. So you have your area to eat, and then you have your entertainment center behind it. The long sectional over here. Going down the forward berth. Very clean boat. Meticulously maintained. Bathroom. Good sized shower in here. Okay. Coming back out. Going to the aft cabin. Here's your control panel here. Down here at the aft cabin. Very clean boat. Two owner boat. This owner's owned it since '99. All right, thank you for taking a walk through this boat. If you guys have any questions, please call us. Visit us online at MarineMax.com. Thanks. Have a great day.